Okay, we're back with another video, back with straight out of the content. As you guys can see, yep, I had this on for Saturday because I'm not doing nothing today. I need to brush my teeth and do all types. No, I brushed my teeth. I need to take a shower, but as you can see, we had to hurry up and just get dressed and get over here because we have some good news. Shelly is over there getting the key right now. Make sure if you guys are tuning in, or if you guys are watching, please hit that subscribe button because you guys definitely want to be a part of this journey as we, build our business. And today we have some pretty good news. I think Chelly's gonna like what she sees. So in the last video, you guys seen that we will probably have to pick another unit. And then one that we looked at yesterday was actually the wrong unit. It was not the right unit. So now we're about to go into another unit, which is turnkey ready.
Ooh, it's cold in here.
So here it is. Hey, how you doing, sir? How you doing? They have it like an actual store, which is weird because all of these things.
Good space, baby.
I know.
You haven't even been here,
And I don't have to. I can tell by the wall. But my question is, sweetie, don't run, okay? There's nails and stuff on the floor. Just stay still.
Perfect.
Yeah, no, we couldn't ask for better.
Pretty.
We couldn't ask for a better situation. As I said, everything happens for a reason.
I like those hoes at the top.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just looks cool. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I like it. Oh no, they're not finished.
No, they're not, but.
Why do they have all these? I guess someone started and didn't finish?
I don't know, but I know dang well we could use all these counters. I know that.
No, I'm sure there's somebody.
Can we get one? I think this is it.
Yeah, I like it.
This is perfect. The floors are nice. The walls, we got the outlets that we need. It's literally ours, except minus 2 windows. That's the only difference. It's the exact same as ours, except.
No, ours is way bigger. We have an office and rooms and another room and
Oh yeah, true
we
that.
have big space over there.
Well, I can't believe all this time we've been looking for counters and he's had them just in his thing.
These aren't counters, these are displays.
Yeah.
They're not counters. We
Well-
don't need displays.
We don't need displays?
No,
Oh.
we don't need to display stuff.
Well, are they only open on Sundays?
A church?
Yeah. Only reason why I'm saying is because of the music and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Having to hear that. That would be the only thing, unless they could. I don't see them ripping out the wall and putting better insulation in there. I mean, I guess we could always play our own music.
They already got the AC on in here.
Are those LEDs? Those are LEDs. Those are LEDs.
Someone was already starting and then they must have backed out.
You think so?
It has to be, because look.
That's crazy.
Oh, this is probably the smoke shop.
Oh, you're right.
She said a smoke shop was coming, and this is what you use for all
For a
the
smoke shop.
And the LEDs, yeah, they must have backed out.
Oh, maybe it was just they close on Sundays,
Why?
or maybe Sundays and Mondays. I don't know, because of this. We don't
We'll
want.
have our own music in here. You're not gonna be able to hear that.
We can't film with music, so we'd have to turn it off, film, and then, which is fine, I guess. Yeah. I like it personally. I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
I like it. I think I want to know what they're gonna do
The
with it.
location is not ideal, but
It's not, but at least we get a bigger front because this raggedy little window over here compares to nothing to this.
yeah, I don't like that it's over here in this
Corner.
conglomerate of mess over here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not ideal parking.
No, but people
There's
parking.
tons of parking over there. I just gotta let it go. But yeah.
Well, your mama can go to church next door. No, jokes aside, this is only like this right now because it's Sunday. Mind you, it's not Sunday. Nobody's.
It's always packed in here.
Yeah,
all
true.
these stores
Yeah, true.
keep this packed.
Well, then maybe that's good that we're a lot closer to all these people. Then it's a lot less walk because they have to see our store.
Yeah, I like it.
I want to know how much of this stuff can we have?
I'm sure 0. You can take some of it.
I know, but I'm just saying.
These are like 500 a pop.
I know. This is ready to go, babe. Like, we could be in a week. No, we don't have to worry about light. I can't believe they have LEDs. That's crazy. Do you know what it's gonna be like when we turn on those LEDs? That's gonna give us the, huh? They're not gonna take them. They would have to pay somebody time to take them. Now, if they could revamp the bathroom, this is.
No, this is nice. We just gotta polish it up. It's not an old bathroom. What?
What? You don't think this is old?
The toilet and the sink?
Yeah, everything in here? Oh, you're saying you can revamp it?
Yeah, we just they gotta put the things, the border, and then we'll probably put a different mirror and just paint in here, polish it up. It's not bad. Buy some new
things up there?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, well then if you like it, then I'm good with it.
That thing is raggedy.
Yeah, that is raggedy. The fan is raggedy. Yeah, this
We
is.
just gotta finish back here, putting up the walls.
But at least you got like some more storage now. Like you got your working area right here, or working area right here, shelves over there, and then you can put just storage up against the back wall.
Yeah. I'm glad that one doesn't have that big water heater in there like the other one did. They got black paint. What was I about to paint black?
All of these, they've been painting.
Oh.
These are nice too. I wonder what we can keep out of here. Might as well ask. Don't hurt to ask.
That's crazy for the
This has got to be what, 1,300 square feet?
No, they said 12.
Oh, 12, so it's just
He
missing.
said it was 1,000, but they knocked down the wall and made 200 more.
Oh.
So that's what this 200 back here was.
Damn, they're gonna have to move all these out. That's dope. I can't believe we have LEDs. I can't believe that. We would have to pay for that.
I feel bad.
Oh, they got a leak
Where? Oh,
right
yeah.
there. Does she know about that?
It's wet.
Oh, take a picture of that and send it to her. Oh, here we go. I'll take a picture of it. Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Well, we're gonna meet with Alim.
Yeah,
So.
but they have an active leak, so they're gonna have to get up in there again. I don't know why this building leaks so much.
I wonder why they left.
Yeah, that's a good question too.
Do you think they paid for the floors?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh.
Daddy, this is Yogi.
All right, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I like it, Chelly likes it. Looks like they got a few things that they do need to fix. Obviously, they need to get rid of all this stuff. Pretty sure this was the smoke shop that they wrote plug on the wall. Yeah, it's got everything. I mean, it wouldn't take them more than a week to get this thing. And what they don't have to do is floors. They don't have to do plugs. They don't have to do anything else. All the electrical is already set up. They just need to fix that leak over there, which is crazy.
Their counter.
Because
20-inch width of 4 feet counter.
it hasn't
This is what they're 20.
it hasn't rained and that thing is leaking, so it's got to be coming from the AC. So if we sign a new contract, I don't want to be a part of this AC, or maybe we can get the AC thrown in there because it's not raining and that is actively leaking. That's not a good sign. That can only be from the AC and the condensation and that making it leak. And we can't have that in our store, so.
Turned on the electricity already.
Yeah.
We're about to go.
This thing is ready to go. And we love the floors. Once we buff these floors and everything and shine it up, this is gonna look like a really nice store. And then hit these LEDs, turn them green. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be awesome. Okay guys, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that like button. Share this video so YouTube can share it and we can show you guys how to keep building your business, because things happen. It's not as easy as you think it is. So things happen. We're here to help build a business. So we'll help you build your business. All right, guys, be busy. Peace.
So we can't even get